everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you the 10.25 inch screen that we had to Lexus RX 350. That's the aftermarket screen. This car didn't come with navigation, so it came with a knob. And you can use the knob to scroll left and right on the screen, and going back to factory Lexus menu, you still can use the knob. By touching the screen we can go to the aftermarket mode. All the apps are there on Android section. We can add Apple Carplay and Android Auto as well. And also offline map right at the top. And it plays video as well through our USB. And that's the information that it reads from the vehicle. It's like how much gas left, and if the seat belt is fastened or not, brake on or off, and the temperature outside. By going to media, you can go to video.
You don't know me.
If you're interested to get these type of Lexus units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.